All right.
Hey, who wants to
Let's,
grab the shit?
Wants to grab it.
I'll grab it. Grab it.
I can grab.
No. Stand back a little bit. Watch out.
Are we on the radio? Oh, we're not.
Yeah. On boop.
Okay, they're there, so we all just stand in the middle of nowhere.
8008.
Let's try to get on rooftops in case people come.
I got 10 ink bags. Should there be more?
Yeah, just keep going. It's about like 70 to 80 bags.
Come on, man, grab faster. Oh no!
No! I won!
This is Albert King with the police. If you didn't guess already, I am here to attempt to deal with this situation. You could call me Albert, the bringer of justice. You will pay for what you have done.
Hello!
Your waving doesn't intimidate me.
Alright, we're good.
No. He's gonna follow us.
He's gonna harass us until we're done, he said. He's right there.
Oh my god!
Let the aerial harassment commence.
Oh my god, that low flying, holy shit. Oh my god!
Free Jake!
Oh my god!
Keeping an eye on behind me in case he tries to heli pet me.
It's not going that low.
He may heli
Oh,
pet
he is
me.
going down,
Yeah,
he's
it
going
is.
down! Oh my god!
Ooh.
Stop. They're brake checking me.
Yeah!
I have snowballs.
Same.
If we all want to get out and throw snowballs at him.
Yeah, you wanna?
Alright, I put them in the glove box. think.
The little hands. You know what you call them.
I got one left.
Little hands.
Toss
Uh-oh,
it.
uh-oh.
Snowball.
I think guys don't stand. It doesn't turn in this rain.
I hit him with a snowball. Got him good.
Snowballs are gonna be worth a lot in a couple months.
You just won.
Snowballs are gonna be worth a lot. You're throwing money out the window.
You do
Make sure
know,
bits fell after
you
it.
do know Montreal has snow at the top.
Does it?
Yes.
I'm gonna
So
get
let's
snowballs
put
from
chili
it.
out.
We gotta go find out if we can get snowballs in Chile.
I should put my seatbelt on.
I haven't had it on.
Do I be wearing one?
I forgot to put it back on when we got out. I'm back in.
That's the rule of thumb for getting in the car with Mac. Always make sure your harness is on.
Okay, rude.
Am I wrong?
I
You're
mean,
not wrong.
no, but it just hurts to say.
You're such a little ratty rat.
Yeah.
At least you're not a roach.
What the fuck is this? What have you done? Oh my
That's
god.
crazy.
Almost needed a
On
fucking bump.
Jane's fences, man. It's fucked up.
You lose him
Wait,
with that?
everyone's gone as well.
Oh,
I'm around.
Cassidy.
Oh,
You left
no.
Cassidy.
Wait, no way.
Go find him. That's not fair.
Where the fuck did the one go?
Oh, he ran
Where'd
out of
you
fuel,
refuel?
probably.
Oh, that's probably right.
Good old Cassidy.
That was like the slowest jump. It's the slowest jump, too.
He brags so much
That's
about his
why he's so
driving, but like
good.
he crashes all the time.
I don't see him. I want to laugh at him. Do you have any more snowballs?
No, I'm out.
Oh.
Oh, damn, I was gonna say we could throw them at King with just refuel them.
Oh.
Yeah, just go park on Mission Row.
Imagine if you go to the grapple into the rooftop, say hi, and grapple off.
Just go back on the bridge and just blast your horn at him.
Oh, there's more cops waking up.
Can
he's
you
taking
heal me?
Taking
Oh,
off
oh,
again. Honk at him?
Is he? Where's he going?
Keep
Honk.
beeping.
Keep honking. Oh,
Where's he going?
he's going back to Mirror Park, I think.
Going back to Fair Park.
Where- Where's he going? What? You guys see him?
Oh, we're rain chase again.
Hi.
I hate you, dude.
Cassidy
Why?
at its finest, man.
I didn't crash. I can't make it over the fucking ramp.
Yeah, you just
There
gotta.
was nothing to crash
Just,
into,
you're just gonna
dude.
stop crashing, pal. Just stop crashing.
King's on his way, dude. He's pissed off.
Good, good, good. We want him here.
We are northbound on Elgin, next to the little pavilion. Stop flipping me off, Mac. That's rude.
Did King die?
King is no longer with us.
Wait, did he crash?
I don't know what happened to
Where
him.
is he?
That MRPD, I think.
No, he took off
What?
from MRPD, didn't he?
Took off from MRPD.
Oh,
He
he
went
is.
flying.
He's on Boulevard.
Okay, let's go get him. Let's go
What?
see him. He's on Boulevard Del Perro. Go see him. Oh,
Oh no!
oh.
Danish trees! Danish trees! I'm gonna get them for you, King.
Danish
I'm fucking
trees!
gonna get them.
Ah! How could your people's trees do that, mate?
Oh god,
What
there's
the
two
hell,
more!
man?
Oh god, they're all on duty now!
Technically, it's only two.
Technically.
One's the CDPI.
What's the technical
How's
part?
the premiere?
going?
Yeah, that's good shit. Break Cassidy's ankles. He fucking sucks ass.
I agree.
Sorry, I'm gonna check.
Oh, it's so wet.
That's what ring does, man.
So wet.
We're getting chased again.
I don't want to take him to the same thing.
Oh, they're all following. Oh my god, they're actually all following.
I didn't know. I didn't know. Like, I had you blocked, and then I went up, and I forgot the number.
I think you might be able to make it with the premiere. Yeah, see? Oh, you know,
Oh, hell
Oh my
yeah.
god!
Almost in the pool.
Almost in the drink. Is Cassidy stuck?
Guess it's probably stuck. The CVP didn't go through either. Oh, they're going to.
Oh, it's too wet to drive around that way. Oh, honey.
Hey,
Oh, no.
Oh my god.
What good?
This is where you have to prove to me you're a good driver.
yeah.
Oh, I know what I can do.
Huh?
You guys rid of the dunkel?
The what? Oh, is this the Eugene drop?
Yeah.
Yes.
Don't worry about that. I'm not being suspicious. Guys, I don't want to die. No, we're not doing this. We're not doing
Oh my god!
No way.
No way!
Bro. Oh my god.
Don't do it!
Oh god.
Oh, we go. Oh,
Oh.
who's
Oh.
that?
Wow, okay.
Oh my god. You're gonna throw it in the water.
No, 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 no. No, no, no!
It's got the dunkel for a
Quit it.
reason!
Oppo! Oppo!
You killed it. Oh my god. No, that's fucked up. That's fucked.
Oh my god.
We're gonna get shot.
They are so gonna get aggressive with this motherfucker.
No, I'll be honest, Michael, leaning through out of the window after that one.
Yeah, I take back what I said. What leniency?
I'm gonna be honest though, Eugene's done that so many times to me on duty. Oh! Oh my god!
Is he stuck? Oh, oh.
We might be fucked.
Oh. No, we're
fucked.
not.
We're fucked.
Oh.
Yeah, it's too wet for me to do that, Joe.
Can you like
Cassidy.
a little flipperino?
No, you're not gonna do that, Cassidy.
Ah!
You don't. I don't think we.
Mac,
Cassidy.
get out of the car.
Hey, what are you doing to me?
Get out!
Ah!
Get out, Mac!
God, if you don't come out there.
Mac's out on foot.
Eh. I'm on.
I'm going for cops. Mac, don't resist. Oh!
I'm resisting.
God damn it, you got up so quick.
What are we doing here?
Go behind me, he has to stop.
That's it, I'm gonna tase all y'all.
Just go on.
Ah!
I'm going for cops. Don't resist, Mac.
I don't.
Oh, he's trying to get it behind me.
Oh, hi.
I'm flipping the car.
Yep, I'm coming back. They don't know where I am. I'm above them. Dude, they've left. They're not in the car.
I'm flipping it.
Jump down, jump down, jump down.
I don't jump yet.
What am I? I don't know where I am.
Did you hear me on the radio?
Don't you fucking dare.
Get in.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I thought I was done so for a second there.
I was gonna say, Jenny, you could join the fucking NFL. I crashed out.
And you're smoking.
Where are you?
GT left. Fucked off. Maybe park somewhere and
We're
fix
out.
it.
We're out.
Park somewhere and fix
We
it.
flipped the car. We got that.
I'm going somewhere.
Yeah, Michael just stayed in the car until they left and then just flipped it.
It's funny how every time this happens, I just stay in the car and they leave me alone.
And they were so
happened with
talking to
fucking-
MacGregor, they just let me do whatever I want, so I kept just tackling them.
It happened with fucking
Oh,
CC2.
Okay, we're
Fuck my leg.